In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Sell the Trend and SaleSource. Now, if you're running any type of business like dropshipping or Amazon FBA, then you know that using the right research tool to find the best products to sell and being able to learn from your competitors can be a game changer for your business. At the same time, if you pick the wrong tool, it can waste a lot of time and a lot of money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision, because I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, and much more. Now, for your convenience, I've included the links to both Sell the Trend and SaleSource in the description so you can check them out. And now let's get started. Sell the Trend offers a robust product discovery suite featuring an AI-powered discovery engine known as the Nexus. This engine curates products from a variety of sources including AliExpress, Amazon, and Shopify stores, providing users with a rich selection of trending items. The platform also allows for extensive filtering options such as product cost, selling price, and potential profit margins, which are super valuable for targeting specific markets and niches. But what about market analysis? Market analysis on Sell the Trend is detailed and actionable. The platform provides insights into trends, competition levels, and demand for each product. Additionally, it features a trend tracker that monitors real-time data on product popularity, helping users make timely decisions based on current marketing dynamics. What about integration with platforms? Sell the Trend excels in its integration capabilities, particularly with Shopify. Users can seamlessly import products directly into their Shopify stores with just a few clicks. The platform also supports integration with WooCommerce, making it versatile for users across different e-commerce platforms. But what about their supplier database? Well, the tool includes access to a comprehensive database of suppliers, complete with ratings and reviews to ensure reliability and quality. This feature is particularly useful for dropshippers that are looking to establish long-term relationships with trusted suppliers. But what about their pricing and profitability tools? Sell the Trend offers advanced tools to calculate potential profitability, including detailed cost breakdowns and suggested selling prices. This helps users to effectively price their products to maximize margins while remaining competitive. But what about their user interface and ease of use? Well, the user interface of Sell the Trend is modern and intuitive. New users can easily navigate through its various features without feeling overwhelmed, thanks to a well-organized dashboard and clear instructional guidance. But what about their customer support and community? Like, what if you need help with something? Well, Sell the Trend provides robust customer support, including live chat. As you can see right here, you can click this button and you can get help through the bot as well as with a real person. Additionally, they also have an active community of users who can be a great resource. They share tips, strategies, and advice as well. So it's really a wholesome community if you want to get into the dropshipping space. But what about their pricing? So let's talk about their pricing structure. As you can see, they've got two different plans here, keeping it very simple, the monthly and the yearly plan. If you go with the yearly plan, you actually get 2 months for free, so that saves you quite a bit of money. If you look at the monthly plan, you're paying about $40 a month for their essential plan and about $100 a month for their pro plan. And so you can see what they're offering here in each of these. They're offering pretty much unlimited everything with the pro plan, so you're good to go. But you can check them out. You can actually use the link in the description to start a free trial and see which one you like. Let's talk about the automation features now. Sell the Trend includes several automation features such as automated store synchronization and AliExpress order fulfillment, which significantly reduce the manual effort that's required for managing your dropshipping business. But what about analytics and reporting? Well, the analytics and reporting tools provided by Sell the Trend Trend are comprehensive. Users can track sales, monitor inventory levels, and analyze performance data to optimize their strategies. Now, unfortunately, if you're planning on using Sell the Trend on your phone, they don't have a mobile app right now, so that might not be super convenient for you, but they might release that in the future. As far as reviews and user feedback goes, the feedback for Sell the Trend is overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its extensive product discovery features and effective market analysis tools. However, some users have noted that it would be nice to have a mobile app. As you can see, there's tons of really amazing success stories, and a lot of YouTubers and people that you've probably heard of use Sell the Trend to run their dropshipping business. Sell the Trend is an excellent choice for dropshippers seeking a powerful and intuitive tool to enhance their product discovery and market analysis capabilities. With a strong platform integration and comprehensive feature set, it suits both beginners and experienced merchants. The only notable gap is the absence of a mobile application, which could enhance the management if you're on the go, but that might get added in the future. SaleSource excels in product discovery, offering a rich array of tools that helps users identify trending products across major e-commerce platforms, whether it's AliExpress, Shopify, and others. The platform provides deep insights into product popularity, seasonal trends, and niche-specific opportunities, enabling users to make data-driven decisions about their product lines. What about market analysis? Well, market analysis with SaleSource is robust, featuring detailed insights into product demand, competitive analysis, and pricing strategies. Users can access real-time data on how similar products perform, which is critical for adjusting marketplace strategies and to ensure that you are competitive with your pricing. But how does it integrate with other platforms? SaleSource offers excellent integration capabilities, especially if you're using Shopify. Users can seamlessly import products into their Shopify stores and synchronize inventory and pricing updates. While it primarily focuses on Shopify, you can also use the valuable data on other e-commerce platforms that you get from SaleSource. What about the supplier database? One of SaleSource's standout features is its comprehensive supplier database. The platform not only identifies suppliers but also provides detailed reviews and reliable ratings. This is super useful for dropshippers that are looking to establish secure and profitable supplier relationships. As far as the pricing and profitability tools go, you get advanced tools for calculating your potential profitability, taking into account various costs such as product price, shipping fees, and potential retail prices. This allows users to forecast their profit margins accurately and make informed pricing decisions. But what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of SaleSource is clean and intuitive. New users can find it easy to navigate with well-organized menus and clear, actionable insights. The platform's design is focused on enhancing user experience and making complex data accessible and understandable. So what about their customer support and community? SaleSource offers robust customer support through multiple channels, including live chat, where you can click this help button right here. You can also email them, and they also have a detailed FAQ section. Additionally, it fosters a community of users through its forums and social media groups, where people typically share their tips and best practices, so it's a pretty good community. But now let's talk about what you're probably really interested in, which is their pricing structure, so how much it costs. As you can see, you can pay monthly or yearly. If you pay yearly, you can save a substantial amount of money no matter which plan you use. And so if you look at the plans, you get the starter at $89 a month, professional at $98, advanced at $399, and elite at about $1,000 a month. If you pay yearly, all of these drop, and so you can see what's included in each one of them. I've actually included the link in the description if you want to try it out. They do have a free trial. So what about their automation features? Because that can really make or break your dropshipping business. So SaleSource integrates several automation features like auto syncing of product data, as well as alerts for price changes or new supplier reviews. These features help streamline your operations and keep the business responsive to the changes in market. What about the analytics and reporting? The analytics and reporting capabilities of SaleSource are really good. They're comprehensive. They offer detailed reports on sales trends, product performance, and market opportunities, which are crucial if you want to be strategic with your business and your growth. Now, unfortunately, they don't have a mobile app that you can use. So if you do prefer to manage your business on the go on your phone, then you can't really do that with SaleSource, but more than likely you're probably using your laptop or computer anyway, so that shouldn't matter. But what do users of SaleSource have to say about it? What kind of reviews and feedback do they get? Well, generally the feedback for SaleSource is quite positive, especially its in-depth product and supplier insights, as well as the user interface, people like that. Some users have expressed a desire for broader platform support beyond Shopify, and also a mobile app for on-the-go management, but that's something that might get added in the future. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.